Hello, everyone. Today, let's dive into the surprising power of lead magnets in driving business growth. You might ask, what exactly is a lead magnet? Well, it's a free item or service offered to potential customers in exchange for their contact information. This tool is a game changer when it comes to building a customer base. So let's explore how lead magnets can transform your business dynamics. First, they help in capturing targeted leads by attracting people who are genuinely interested in what you offer. This means you are building a database of warm prospects. Plus, lead magnets provide value upfront, establishing trust with potential customers. So consider integrating lead magnets into your marketing strategy for sustained growth. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see how you use these powerful tools. You can click the link below to see a tool that I frequently use to generate awesome lead magnets. Have a great day.